Welcome to this new How to Draw Stuff tutorial. Although the 2020 UEFA Champions League final has been postponed, this means you have more time to practice drawing the official match ball. Here's how to draw the Istanbul 20 official football. Take a round object to use as a template for the ball and draw around it with pencil. We're using this glass. Draw a cross in the middle of the circle as guidelines and shade in the shadow of the ball. You can do this at the end if you wish. Divide the ball into segments like this. Mark these points to guide the lines for our design. Draw an arc at the top and bottom of the ball. Do the same for the middle segments. We now need to mark the bottom points of the main star design on the ball. Connect these points to the top of the star. Use guidelines for the other points of the star. As you can see, we may need to use very rough sketches to get the shape we're looking for. The bottom of this star connects to another one at the bottom. Follow this line to mark the point of the bottom star. Use the main guidelines to show the curve of the star. These guidelines look messy, but they are really useful since the perspective is tricky. Draw in the rest of the star shape. There's another star which we are also going to fill in using the guidelines. Pencil in the other stars at the sides. Now we can erase some of the guidelines, which will make it look much neater. You may have to end up erasing some of the outlines we want to keep, but that's okay as long as we can join them up afterwards. Redraw the outlines of the design which you may have erased. Draw the outline of the ball. We're going to draw in the shadow again here. By drawing a circle here, we can get some of the light on the shading of the rest of the ball, but keep the top spot bright. Erase any erroneous lines. We can use our finger to smudge the pencil and get a better look for the shadow. We also erase any shading which is unnecessary. We are now going to make the lines of the stars thicker to make them stand out. Now we're going to make the outline of the cup which makes up part of the design. The top looks like an upside down tear. We can then draw the top, bottom and handles. If you're drawing it up close, you can write in the exact word, but for this, we're doing lines to make it look like text. Here we draw the Adidas logo. This one is skewed due to the shape of the ball. There's also another logo of a football down here. The design is made up of various black lines in a coloured background. For our purposes, we're going to shade them in like this, as drawing the exact same ones as appear on the ball will take forever. Once you have drawn all of the design, you can smudge the parts in shadow. We are now going to erase some parts of the star design to make them look brighter. We can fill in parts of the logo we have rubbed out before. The final part is this darker shadow at the bottom. And there we have our UEFA Champions League official football for the now postponed 2020 final. If you found this video useful, give us a like, and don't forget to share your requests in the comments. We'll see you next time.